Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is a journal with me session in my Hobonichi Techo. I was able to visit the Bungu Jyoshi Haku, and I've already filmed the haul video with you, and I will post the link down below of all the stationery items, not all, but most of the stationery items that I purchased. I will be inserting some clips here and there. They're mostly from my Instagram stories, so I tend to, if I remember to, I post things or interesting things about life in Japan on my Instagram stories from time to time. So the Bungu Jyoshi Haku is a special event, like a stationary event that happens once a year, and I was able to visit the day before it officially opened. And so, I mean, it was busy, but it was not as crazy as it would have been on the regular days. I thought I would use the brochure and some of the packaging from some of the stuff and write a journal entry in my Hobonichi Techo. I'm using the Hobonichi Cousin in the avec. I am pretty much done now. I just need to finish off the page for the 31st. And then I can do I have to find some time to film like a flip through for you. I think it's always fun to see the various pages from the past, and it's always fun to flip through the pages. So I'm just adding a bit of watercolor here on the edge so that the image that I cut out kind of pops out, and I tend to do that when I want to add some color to the page. I just add some watercolor, let it dry, and the Tomoe River paper is nice and thin, but it takes watercolor really well if you don't wet it too much. I don't know if you just saw the clip there, but there was a station, a very small station where you could use pens and washi tape and stickers all for free, so that you could decorate your pages. So I did spend just a couple minutes there at the station. I was surprised to see there was one other lady. She was really into decorating her page. She was actually using a traveler's notebook as well. I wanted to speak to her, but she was like really into it, so I didn't bother her. But she was using her traveler's notebook, the regular size. She was decorating her page, and there was one other lady, and then I decided to kind of add some stickers as well. So I'm using the brochure and cutting out some more bits. I think when you visit places, I think it's okay to pick up brochures and things. They're kind of like memories, right? And if you like a certain image of the brochure, maybe there's a photo that you couldn't take with your cell phone, or maybe you didn't have a camera with you, and you can certainly cut out the photo from the brochure and then stick it into your journal as a memory. I think it's a really great way to decorate your page and to kind of bring back certain memories. And I think that's about it. I will add the Bungu Jyoshi Haku title in watercolor on the top right hand side. And here is a clip of, I think this one is the booth for Papier Platz, and I took a picture because there was some Sakura Lala stamps that were displayed there. I went to visit them several times, but I was hoping to bump into maybe Ayako from Cute Things from Japan or Eddie from Sakura, but I didn't see them. I think they were only there during the beginning part of the event, so unfortunately I didn't get to see them. But I don't know if you do this too. I kind of not wash, but clear out the remaining paint onto the page. Sometimes I do it on the same page, and then sometimes I do it on like a different page, or even a different journal. I don't really waste the paint that's on my paintbrush. I just kind of wash it off onto the other side. And then this clip here is of, I think this one is Akamegane stamps, and like there was like a stamp section, wooden stamp section. I would have liked to spend more time in the wooden stamp section, but anyways, there's always next year. Like I said, it happens once a year at least, and it's usually around December. They also have like a Bungu Jyoshi ink event, which concentrates more on fountain pens and fountain pen inks and things like that. I am once again outlining, as I always do, in the marker or like a fine liner. it just makes the letters more prominent and it stands out a bit more. And so I will always, usually I will always do that. Usually, no, I will most likely do that. And so I have enough blank space there to add some photos and some journaling. I actually currently have one photo there of me, and you'll see it in the flip through. Hopefully in the coming weeks I will be able to film and edit the flip through. I'm just using the Play Color Dot, I think that's what it's called, in the coral color, and just adding a cute little background. It's an easy way to do that, and I think that's it for now. Really quick video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Happy New Year! Bye-bye.